Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. BrothersTrucks.com is the place to go if you're looking for something for your Chevy or GMC truck from 1947 all the way up through 1987. And whether you're just starting out on a project like we are with that 85 there, or you've got a great looking truck that needs some updating and you want to make it look even better, Brothers Trucks has everything. And Dave, you brought with you here a window kit, and this is to take the vent window from the old truck and convert it into a one-piece. Tell me about the kit.
Well, what you're looking at right here is a 1955 to 59 kit. And the kicker on this guy is the kits in the past, right here, there would always be a little bit of a gap and you get a whistling noise. We've redesigned the glass. This is unique to us. Nobody else has this. And it's a really awkward kind of a glass to put in position. If you know your 55 to 59s, it actually almost goes up in a sideways kind of a thing. So we took some time and we had multiple versions of this glass until we got it perfect. And now you don't have to worry about any of those noises or anything like that. And for that matter, that's what we've done with all of our kits. If you go to YouTube and you check out our channel, BrothersTrucks.com channel, you're going to see us install all of these kits, and every time we install them, we make them better and better and better.
That's what I love. You guys are car guys, and you really go after the stuff to make it really easy for the consumer, for the folks that are buying stuff. How important is it for you to make that experience great for folks?
Well, if they have difficulty and it's tough to install, they're not going to like it. They're not going to come back. So we go to a lot of time and a lot of trouble to make sure that the kits bolt into the original holes as much as possible, where you don't have to have a lot of modifications or come up with anything of your own or do a bunch of engineering or a bunch of math or a bunch of measuring. We take care of all of that stuff for you, so it's a lot easier for when you get it.
And instead of having to go buy the individual parts and do all the research, you want to do a project like the window, you just buy the kit, everything comes with it.
Right, because you won't even be able to find this anywhere else but Brothers. You probably won't be able to get these anywhere else from Brothers because they goes the whole entire length into the door.
And let's talk about what else comes with the kit here.
This kit's pretty unique in the fact that it uses a lot of the original parts. You can use your original crank, the original sash at the bottom, your front and rear channels. So the only thing that you really need for this one is your glass tape for the bottom where you're attaching it to the original sash. You've got your channel here that's extra long, and then these are extra long. These are specifically made. So if you had your vent window in there, they'll only be this long. So we had these specifically made just for the 55 to 59, and that's what we do with every single kit we got.
Brothers Trucks has everything you need from stem to stern. If you've got a 47 through 87 Chevy or GMC, check them out at BrothersTrucks.com.